about to go backward. You guys ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
There's some space on the old cameras to do this challenge. He's going to back it up on an actual trailer. That's going to be crazy hard.
So, we're going to try the Driftomaniac backing up.
It's going to be so hard with the trailer. This is going to be impossible.
So hard.
Fail, fail, double fail. Oh. Bit more practice. Oh, there you go. Just gotta make it back now, halfway through. And good.
Okay, try it again. 8 years old, and he's going to try the Driftomaniac backward slalom challenge with my SCX-10. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's rock and roll. Oh, fail. Come back here, start over. Failed this first attempt. That's okay. Then try again. Okay. Go.
Oh!
Let's go.
Take 3.
His hands are being frozen. They're cold. Okay.
Ah!
Keep going until you get it. There's no limit. Oh, that's the problem. It's a woman driving. Yeah. It's probably Honey Lulu that's driving. Look at that. Honey Lulu's driving. That's why she's always hitting the can. And we have the co-pilot. Her hubby. Well, actually, this is a kid.
That is me.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Take your time. Slow is fast. Whew.
There you go. That's a successful entry.
Yay.
Job.
There we go.
Successful.
Yay.
Job.
High five to the camera.
Recording.
Okay, this is it's not a monster truck, this is a crawler. It's a crawler king, not the monster truck. But this is for the Driftomatic Slalom Challenge. So we're about to go backward. You guys ready?
Ready.
Here we go.
Hey, are you rear wheel steering? You cheater. What? Rear steer? Rear steer.
I gotta line up, I just kind of screwed up. Concentrating, trying to get a good video. There we go. I'm still going backward. Line up again and try it again. Concentrate too much on the video this time.
Okay, take 2 with the HPI Crawler King. Ready, go.
Hold on. Okay. Just show you guys, I am going like this way. So here we go. Go. Oh.
Oh, that's
Ah.
restart.
Take three.
Fail. Okay, take 3.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, that's a wide turn. Oh no! Oh, the readjustment time. Oh, I missed that. He's pinned one of the... So was your crawler entry. Cool. There's some space on the old cameras to do this challenge. He's going to back it up on an actual trailer. That's going to be crazy hard.
Yeah, it's a practice run. Let's see what I can do, what kind of damage I can do.
Oh, this is going to be so hard.
Oh,
yeah. Jackknife City. He's going to be trying to do the Driftomaniacs reverse slalom challenge while actually towing a trailer backwards. This is going to be crazy hard. Yeah, we'll let him practice for a while, then we'll come back when he's ready to do the real run.
Okay, Driftomaniac drift challenge again, but this time with a real trailer. And this one is going to give me a lot of trouble.
Yes, it is.
So we got to go slowly, and already I'm in trouble. Come on, baby.
Yeah, slow and steady wins the race with this one, I think.
Oh yeah.
Well, you're in your own shadow, but it's okay.
Oh. Let's try to move it out of the shadow. To make sure I don't hit the cone. Line up the trailer.
Yeah, if you do hit a cone, it invalidates your entry, so you got to be very careful to make sure you get around without touching them.
Okay, do I have 5 cones done already?
You're doing better than I thought you would so far. You're halfway done the first round.
We can't do it.
Like a real trailer, you gotta line up yourself.
Yeah.
And make sure I don't hit the cone so far. I've gone so far I should stand in front of it just like I was earlier, because right now it's kind of screwing me up.
There you go. Come on back.
My shoulder hitch wouldn't be so loose at the back. Maybe it might help me out.
You didn't tie down your load.
Oh, she's tight. Better when I stand in front of it. Okay, now I just have to back up straight. Now it'll in for the home run, home stretch. And I speed it up. The other way, Frank.
Gun it.
If I gun it, I'm gonna.
Get your nose across. And done.
Wheel it back. Oh,
This
that
is,
was a killer.
my timer on here says around 3 minutes 30 seconds, but I think I started a little early. So yeah, probably around the 3-minute mark.
Whew. Well, thanks for recording, and I hope you are recording this time.
I am recording this time.
So, we're gonna try the Driftomaniac backing up.
It's going to be
trailer.
so hard with the trailer. This is going to be
It's gonna
impossible.
So hard.
Yeah.
Here we go.
What? Trailer runs by itself. Runaway trailer. Oh, you gotta, I'll readjust. That's gonna hurt him in time. And
Count the time on that. Let's try that again.
all right, take two.
See if I can do better this time. Got to hook up on the car. There we go. We're all hooked up. Oh, I missed the trailer hitch. Okay, there we go. We're all hooked up now. Let's go.